Software development is changing. AI has made coding ridiculously fast. But somehow, you're moving slower. How does that even happen? Well, what looks like one step in your software lifecycle is actually hundreds of tiny tasks. More code means more code reviews, more security scans, more coordination, and more bottlenecks. But what if all those hundreds of small tasks just happened? This is GitLab, but not the GitLab you think you know. GitLab is the Intelligent Orchestration Platform for DevSecOps, where your team stays in flow with AI agents to plan, build, and secure software faster. You work up here, above the loop, where you can focus on the decisions that actually need you, the creative stuff, the architecture choices, the strategy. Down here, agents handle the hundreds of tasks that used to drain your day, testing code, triaging vulnerabilities, checking dependencies, all of it running continuously within your guardrails. These agents have complete context from your code, your workflow, your security posture, your deployment history. So when an agent analyzes a security finding, it knows your threat model. When it suggests a fix, it knows your coding standards. You orchestrate, agents execute. With GitLab, software engineering does what it's meant to do, fuel innovation, so you can build without limits. Finally, AI for the entire software lifecycle.